Today we're showing you another luxury ride, the Mercedes V-Class. It's built for long family trips in total comfort and peace of mind. This one came to us with an issue. The 360-degree cameras and parking sensors weren't working. Diagnostics showed a system fault along with an error on the 12th sensor. After a lot of troubleshooting, we found the real cause, when the interior had been completely redone abroad, turned into a modern, comfy setup. Some of the wiring had been routed the wrong way. That's what caused the short circuit.
Sì, ancora molti questi. Sì.
Once we fixed and rerouted everything properly, the whole system started working perfectly. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to catch updates on modern car issues and how we solve them.